So you are about to buy or have bought a property. You then need to look after it. Unfortunately, statistics tell me that you may need legal or surveying advice because of a whole raft of differing types of serious problems or disputes. Cowboy Builders, negligent conveyancing, loan company overvaluations, surveyor misdiagnosis, the lot. Let me introduce myself. I'm Stuart Parrett. I look at housing for you, and I know a lot of professionals who can help you all round England. I'm a registered valuer, a chartered surveyor, an expert witness, a thermal imager. In other words, I'm a residential property expert and always have been. I'm not a jack of all trades. I'm the operations director of Inspection 4 Limited and owner of Hampshire-based Chartered Surveyor PROinspect Consultancy. Obvious self-protection starts with home security. Do you have window locks? Are they adequate? Is the garden secure? What are the local crime statistics? What type of area are you living in, and what features nearby might increase security risks? To state the obvious, once you have been burgled, you realise how important these factors are. So don't leave it too late. Consider a professional security review. Another good way of protecting yourself and your home is to ensure you have a good insurance broker. When you have a crisis, the value of a good broker can easily be the difference between having a successful insurance claim and having to spend thousands. Again, statistics tell me that a reasonably high percentage of home buyers and owners will suffer the consequences of negligent conveyancing, negligent survey reports or mortgage valuations. The type of problem that is not obvious and sometimes will not surface until many months or even years have passed. Such problems mean that you will require the initial advice of a new legal advisor and then the additional advice of a surveyor or valuer. This is where the complex subject of litigation becomes very, very strange and convoluted. You do not and should not go down the route of immediately commissioning a surveyor or valuer detailed report. The reason being that report type and therefore cost will be determined by the way your legal advisor wishes to handle the case. By all means, take initial advice from a surveyor or valuer, perhaps to help you assess your chances of success in starting legal action. But place your initial trust in your new legal advisor and follow their advice. We can recommend the right people to you if need be. A common problem area is Cowboy Builders. Immediately you believe you have a quality problem, you need to consider the need for an inspection from the right type and experience of surveyor. Usually a dispute arises, a payment is withheld, and the errant builder claims he has walked off site because of non-payment rather than the original building dispute. This is an own goal and not a situation you should find yourself in. Avoid knee-jerk reaction, as they can often misfire. Early advice from a building expert can be worth its weight in gold. Finally, I need to mention something called Part 35 Civil Proceeding Rules, or CPR. If your dispute is known to be headed for court, then the Surveyor Valuer report needs to fully comply with Part 35 CPR protocols. This is a complex area that the majority of ordinary surveyors will not be able to work in or produce compliant reports. Therefore, it is essential your legal team clearly define the status, type and scope of any report requested. Get this wrong and you have wasted a great deal of money and time, and you will need to create another but compliant report at extra cost to yourself. Protection and litigation are intertwined, but both revolve around professionals starting the process and ensuring you follow correct procedures. Not taking professional advice is often the worst decision you can make. So welcome to my world. We can help you if you let us, and the first step is to explain the problem to us and ask how we can help. Whether it be divorce, errant builders, solicitors, surveyors, loan valuers, we can improve your chances of successful action. Talk to us. Pick up that phone. House of Horrors or Home Sweet Home, why guess?